When it comes to getting a jump start on your college education, a big first step is deciding which classes you want to take. When choosing classes, it's also important to understand how the college credits you earn will transfer once you get to college. Fortunately, most college credits earned in high school will transfer easily. However, it's important to know that there are some cases where they won't. An example might be if the course is in a subject that the college you plan to attend doesn't offer. Issues can also arise if there isn't an equivalent course at the college you plan to attend. So take some time to explore how courses transfer between the college that offers your dual credit course and the college you plan to attend. Visit collegetransfer.net or coursetransfer.idaho.gov for more details and more information on how it all works. Not only is it important to choose classes that will transfer, but something you may not know is that it's also important to understand degree applicability. Understanding degree applicability means that you'll want to make sure the class you're taking helps fulfill the degree requirements of the major you choose. Sometimes there are classes that you can take and earn credit for, but you don't need them for your degree. This is never a bad thing. Courses will likely transfer as electives, but to get the best advantage and head start on college requirements, make sure you know what classes you need for your major and try to make those classes a priority. Explore the website of the college you plan to attend to find degree requirements for majors you are interested in. Use transfer guides to understand how classes you take in high school transfer and apply to your degree. The Boise State Concurrent Enrollment Program has a great option for students who want additional advising to understand how their courses will apply to a degree at Boise State. As you accrue college credit, there are milestones you can achieve, from just a few credits to an associate degree. Talk to your counselor or a college advisor to understand what pathway is the best fit for you. And for more information on course transferability and applicability, visit the Boise State Concurrent Enrollment website